Hey everybody, it's Katniss123 here, and oh my god, there's a pigman right there. How? Oh, I want to keep you. I want to keep you. You're adorable. I like you. No, don't go back in that nether portal. Okay, let me block it off. So he won't get in there, and he won't get back. He'll probably fall off the island. Now feel bad for him. Okay, I'm sorry, buddy. So today, I did a lot of work. I made a house, nether portal, made a farm, big one, a mushroom farm. I have chickens. I'm building something that you will see later on. I had that for a while, but I made it fancier. I got poppy seeds, and I got armor. So yeah, and I actually got diamond shovels. The poppy flowers over there from a nice person. His name is Jerry. Let me check out mushroom. Please tell me he does, because I want mushrooms so bad. I love mushrooms. Okay, so what I'm building is, what about sheeps or cows? Spawner, eggs. No. My backwards. I think I should treat what? I think I should trap this fella right here, because he's so freaking adorable. Okay. And I also got a diamond from him, redstone, and iron ingots. And I got an iron sword. Finally. Okay, buddy. Right here. You're gonna stay with me. Okay? I'm gonna collect 3 more pieces of cobblestone. So you would have a big space to live in. And I'm on fire. Yes. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So we'll have 12 of these. Oh, sorry. Okay, I think I might put you, like, I don't know where. Oh. Okay. Whew. I thought you were gonna die. I got scared for a second. Because he just ran into the wall, and then I just heard him getting hurt, and I'm like, no! Come on, buddy. I think one time, I didn't hit it or anything. It just came up to me and it was like, follow me, and then it started hitting me. No. No, buddy. No, you have to go in your cage. No. Man. You're so mean. Maybe you should be my pet. Or Fred the chicken. Oh, you want a carrot? If you want a carrot, go in a cage. Go in a friggin' cage. Where are you going, sir? Sir. No, I was so close to putting you in there. It's like I zoomed in, but I don't know how to zoom in Minecraft. Sir, you can't, no, no. You have to go over there. Over there, sir. Over there. Over there. Over there. Over there. Go. Go. Go in there. Go. I got him in. Finally. We have a pet pigman. I've always wanted a pet pigman. Use my stone sword to kill this person. Okay, that's good. Turn in that time. I'm gonna put this back. Click that. Okay, since he's trapped in there, I will go into the nether and go look around. Let's go. Okay. It's so laggy. Okay, I don't like. Oh, yeah, almost fell in the lava. Of course. Let me just cross here. Okay. I want to get butter. Is that what I think it is? Oh, it is. Hey, buddy. Oh. Where's that? Oh. It is. It is now. What? It just lagged up there. Why, Nether? Why? Why are you lagging so much? I think I killed him. I did? That was some pretty good aiming, I guess. Because kind of was horrible. A little bit. Okay, so let's kill someone. Oh, so. Snap. Okay, so I need to get 9 of these. Trick me. You won't get near me. Wow, so okay. Okay, I died. Let me go to my island. Look at me. Oh, get it. Okay. So I'm back to my island with 1 gold nugget. Just great. Is it? Oh my god, it looked like I was saying sorry. For no reason. Ah. You give me wool. Because if he did, I didn't get it. How many little pets over there? Okay, so, wait. What I'm doing up there is, I am making my face. I'm making my face up there. So people know that this is my island. And they can come and visit here. And they can not destroy anything. And they can just visit. Which I love this island. It's like the best. Can't believe I did this in under like 3 days. Yeah, 3 days. It's incredible. I might do, I might do my face offline. There's a spider up there. This is zombie offline. And please, please, please comment down below on what I should do next episode. Okay? This will probably be done by then, which will be awesome. So yeah, I hope you had a great time. Please comment, rate, and subscribe to my channel. Katniss19 here, 1919 here, is out. Peace. Hope and happiness. Oh wait. Someone's for me. Ooh, someone's here. Hello, Pukala. Anyone? Whoa, you're... Okay, your head was backwards before. Okay. Okay. Say bye. I'm going to stop recording. Bye. Say bye, Jerry.